Hello, my name's Milo Vanucci, and I'm with the Open Source Invention Cooperative. Our very first project is the Kinetic Electric Project. We'd like for you to look at it, and if hopefully you like it, you'll contribute to the Indiegogo campaign. This is a bell tower clock. These 220-pound weights are connected to a drum via a cable. As the weight drops, it turns the drum, which is connected to a set of gears. The gears connect to the dials of a clock. A critical part of this process is the escapement mechanism, which controls the rate of descent of the weight. This clock needs winding only every 8 days. So you see that the concept works. Weights are used right now to power bell tower clocks to tell the time of day. It works. Now let us use our imaginations and use that same ancient principle to drive a mechanism that turns a drive shaft to an electric generator, thus producing electricity. We can do this.
This is what it might look like. A single weight or series of weights perhaps up against the wall of your garage or in a utility room. Slowly drop, and as it drops, the cable or chain it is attached to slowly turns a drum upon which the cable is wound. To prevent the cable or chain from dropping too fast, it passes through a device to slow it down. In a clock mechanism, this is called an escapement mechanism, and earlier clocks had a folio mechanism that did essentially the same thing. Slow the rate of speed at which the weight drops. The drum has a low-speed drive shaft that engages a series of gears, a gear mechanism that increases revolutions per minute to approximately 1500 to 1800 RPM. The gear mechanism now has a fast-turning high-speed gear shaft that engages an electrical generator. Such a generator would replace noisy and dangerous gasoline or diesel generators and could even provide electric power for an entire house depending on the size of the generator.
More details about this project will be found on the Indiegogo website. This can't be done without your help. It's a concept that's already proved, and we want to make it work for creating electricity instead of telling the time in a public square. If you can help us, we'll have a huge prize, and inventors all over the world will vie for that prize to make this a reality. And we'll have another source of electric power for homes. Thanks so much.